खणिघम्मा बीकानेर नगर की स्थापना वर्ष 1488 को मई माह में राव बीका ने की थी और उन्हीं के नाम पर बीकानेर का नामकरण किया गया। मरुस्थल के बीच स्थित हमारा बीकानेर नगर कितने ही वर्षों से प्रगति के नित नए पायदान तय कर रहा है। स्वर्णिम रेतीले टीले, नगर का इतिहास, 6 शताब्दी पुराना देशनोक की करणी माता का मंदिर, जूनागढ़ का मशहूर किला और यहाँ की संस्कृति जानने के लिए कितने ही देशों से पर्यटक आ रहे हैं। वर्तमान बीकानेर पूरे देश में अपनी पहचान बना रहा है। यहाँ बड़े बड़े विश्वविद्यालयों की स्थापना से बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया है। इन्हीं में एक बड़ा नाम है बीकानेर का गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज। ईसीबी का उद्देश्य है ज्ञानम परमम ध्येयम। 337 बीघा जमीन में बसा हमारा यह कॉलेज सन 2000 में तैयार हुआ था। ईसीबी में बीटेक, एमटेक, एमबीए, एमसीए, एमएससी, बीबीए, बीसीए, डिप्लोमा और आईटीआई जैसे कोर्सेज करने कितने छात्र हर वर्ष प्रवेश करते हैं।
टाइम पास नू कईयां दी हो जू डिग्री ओ बैठे सियास नू। कई कॉलेज दे विच आउंदे यारो टाइम पास नू कईयां दी हो जू डिग्री ओ बैठे सियास नू। कई यार सैट ने हुंदे कईयां दे जैक ने हुंदे, कई यार सैट ने हुंदे कईयां दे जैक ने हुंदे, कईयां तो पर्ची फड़ी गई ते गल बिगड़ी। ओ पूरी नहीं हुंदी एक सूती डिग्री, पर डिग्री ने दिते सानू यार जिगरी। ओ पूरी नहीं हुंदी एक सूती डिग्री, पर डिग्री ने दिते सानू यार जिगरी। रांझा राजी मैं परपोज कुड़ी नू तरता, ओने कच्चा जा मैनू करता। मैं परपोज कुड़ी नू तरता, ओने कच्चा जा मैनू करता। कहंदे छड्ड एनू ओनू वेख जेड़ी फिर निखरी। ओ पूरी नहीं हुंदी एक सूती डिग्री, पर डिग्री ने दिते सानू यार जिगरी। एक सूती डिग्री, पर डिग्री ने दिते सानू यार जिगरी। डिग्री पर यार जिगरी, एक सूती डिग्री पर यार जिगरी, पर यार जिगरी। वाजा रख पीजी विच महफिल ला लेने, गवांड ते लैंड लॉर्ड नू सता लेने। वाजा रख पीजी विच महफिल ला लेने, फिर आंड गवांड ते लैंड लॉर्ड नू सता लेने। पीजी विचों सानू कढता कोई अता पता ना करदा, पीजी विचों सानू कढता कोई अता पता ना करदा। पल्ले यारां दे कख नहीं बस बेफिक्री।
sir, for being our principal. Lots of hopes have been attached with you. So we want to know what are your new agendas for improving the existing scenario of the college.
In any technical institution, there are two important parameters. One is your infrastructure, second one is the laboratory part. So to improve the infrastructure, already we are in touch with the government of Rajasthan, and government of Rajasthan basically provided us many fundings in earlier days. In coming semester already we have given the requirements, and most probably government has agreed to give us ₹2 crore to improve the infrastructure. Second part, that is the laboratory part. On laboratory part, we are in touch with the World Bank assistance, and the World Bank already has given us the ₹2 crore to purchase the newer equipments. Remaining 3.5, actually they have assigned us, they have given us the ₹5.5 crore in this particular head. We have already placed order of ₹2 crore to purchase the newer equipment. So in coming semester, you will see the lot of changes in the infrastructure part as well as the laboratory part.
So what about student activity center?
Basically, student activity, apart from the academic curriculum activities, students must increase their inner strength, their the other abilities by associating himself or herself in the student activity center. He or she will definitely improve his or her personality, and in this connection we have already assigned this task to one faculty member. He is basically looking after this activity center, and there are number of clubs that will be a part of this student activity center. One part, that is robotics club, that has been started by the student activities center, and some newer clubs that will be formed under this student activity center.
So what is Industry Institute Lifeline, and is there any planning in it?
Actually, apart from this industry institute, we must keep in touch with the industry. What is the requirement of the industry? And for that, we have the provisions in case of our academic curriculum, as well as we have formed a committee that must have an interaction with the industry and must take some projects, because academic part is one part, the real problems basically lies in the industry. So student must be aware the real problems of the industry, and this cell basically already formed in our institute, and in coming semester definitely student will have an interaction with the industry.
So what about placements? So how many new companies are coming to our college?
Already I told you 2 or 3 topics regarding the laboratory enhancement, regarding our infrastructure enhancement, student activity center. So all these are associated with the placement, because placement is one part which have a greater role in case of student life, and to give a proper placement, the student basically have a exposure of the industry. So similar activities that already formed by the placement cell, and we are in touch with different industries. So definitely in coming semester you will see there are a lot of industry who will visit in our institute for the placement.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone, today we will introduce the EC branch of our college, the Department of EC branch. Good morning, sir. सर आप लोग पूछना चाहते हैं, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा ये है कि आप कितने साल से यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं सर?
एज एचओडी आई एम लुकिंग आफ्टर करीब 6-7 महीने में मुझे एचओडी के काम करते हैं।
सेकंड क्वेश्चन तो हमारा ये होगा कि जो ईसी में क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स आए हैं इस साल में, जो न्यू अचीवमेंट्स ईसी ब्रांच को लेके आप लेके आए हैं?
स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग वेल एंड दे आर गेटिंग देयर प्लेसमेंट. New few companies were there for the placement, namely TCS, Infosys, and many L&T, and many more companies are upcoming in the campus for the campus placement.
Thank you, sir.
college. We are here with our HOD of CS department, Manoj Puri sir. Sir, we would like to ask you, so from how many years you are working here as an HOD?
Actually, you can start with 2005. I am working here from 2005. I have started my career here. I have seen this college starting up with very small infrastructure. Now it's huge campus, and recently I have completed my research work from IIT Roorkee and rejoined this institute from January this year. And I have taken the charge of HOD here from this year start. To have contact with other companies, such TCS is conducting examination here, and we are having a MOU with TCS. They will be conducting on campus here, and they will recruit students in here, or CSE and IT branch students. And in past, we have also MOU with Infosys Campus Connect. Okay, thank you.
Now we are standing in electrical department with our HOD sir, Vikas Sharma. Sir, we would like to ask you, sir, for how many years you are here, working here as an HOD?
It's almost 15 years I am working here, and out of them 8 years I have done as a HOD.
Great work, sir. Coming to the next question, what are the all new achievements that have been occurred in the past 2-3 years in this branch?
Our students got placement in reputed companies starting from 180 lakhs to 560 lakhs per month or per annum. So like that, the achievements, we have got some DST projects from the student side and the faculty side. These are the major achievement of our department, and it is the first department of this college that has applied for PhD under the electrical department, and very soon in July 2015 we will get it.
Now we are standing in mechanical department with our HOD.
There was a slightly slump in the placement section, but since last 1 year, I think they are going to again accelerate, because our some students got selected in Hero Honda, and some students also selected in Air Force section, and TCS also too. So I think innovative startings or initiative, because I think I hear that this documentary will be uploaded to the website. In the last, I would convey my hearty thanks to on the behalf of our departments to Dr. Jai Prakash Ramuji, Honorable Principal Engineering College Bikaner,